Hi everybody, my name is Chef Mila Furman and today we're going to be making a delicious winter salad featuring our favorite Lifeway Kefir. We're going to be making it with baby arugula, roasted beets, some beautiful butternut squash, apples, some candied pecans, and of course we're going to make an incredible creamy dressing out of our very favorite Lifeway Kefir. First, we're going to take our Lifeway Kefir, make sure that you shake it well before using it, and we're going to pour it into our container. You can use a bowl or a cup. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our balsamic vinegar, some honey, some Dijon mustard. This helps our dressing stay together. Some lemon juice. And of course, our seasoning, salt and pepper. And then stream in some really good olive oil. We don't need a lot, but just enough to coat the bottom. And then mix everything up. Taste? So yummy. All right, so now we're gonna assemble the salad. Let's take our baby arugula and then our butternut squash. I roasted mine. You can also saute yours if you like. Then we're gonna add in our candied pecans, some beautiful roasted beets. You can use golden beets or regular baby beets like I did, and some Honeycrisp apples. Then take our dressing made with our Lifeway Kefir, pour it all over the top, as much and as little as you want, and enjoy. Bon appetit, everybody.